How to refund a missing item on Uber Eats. So this is going to be a similar process on the Uber Eats app on your mobile devices, whether that's on Android or iPhone or anything else, as it will be on the ubereats.com website. So what you're going to want to do first of all is go to the help menu, or you can also go through the orders menu and then click help there. But if you're on the website, you want to click the top left hand corner where you see the three little lines. Then you should see on the left hand side toolbar area, it should say help. You're going to want to go directly to there if you can, or you can go through orders like I said. But once you've clicked on help, you should see a section where if you scroll down, it should say something like my order has had a missing item or incorrect food items. Click on that one there. Then all you'll need to do is, as you can see here, you want to click on the order that you have the missing items for. So for me, it's the one that you can see there. Then just go ahead and type in the chat which item was missing. So I just said the beef item was not included. Then, as you can see there, it took about 5 minutes. Then they said they're going to refund my item. It could potentially take 24 hours as well, so you might need to be patient. But leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.